Hi everybody, it's me again, Paloma. Today I want to talk to you about an edible weed that I use a lot and currently is growing again in my garden. This is chickweed, okay? It's Stellaria media, the botanical name. It's a very nutritious herb. It has vitamin C, vitamin A, magnesium, amongst others. It has a very pleasant taste and you can use it in many things, okay? So we could put it in salads, we could put it, make a pesto, a spread, steam it, many different ways. There's many herbs that look like it, but the main way I find it that is very good to identify, I don't know if you can see, is that it has a string inside of the stem, okay? That's the best way to know to see. I'm pulling and you can see that, okay? Tiny hairs, but if you see that, you know it's chickweed, okay? Hopefully we have it growing well when we do our next cooking workshop at EcoMatters, so we can use it and maybe make some yummy food with it, okay? Thank you, bye!